स्टार्ट ना हो गया? स्टार्ट कहाँ हुआ?
ये नंबर का है। आने लगी फिर।
Yes, here next the final lines, final para of this lesson is please send Minnie to the park to play with us. प्लीज़ मिनी को हमारे साथ पार्क खेलने को भेज दीजिए। बच्चों ने कहा दे विल ब्रिंग हर बैग, वी विल ब्रिंग हर बैग सेफली, हम उसको सावधानी पूर्वक ले आएंगे। हर व्हील चेयर, उसकी व्हील चेयर को, विद द हेल्प ऑफ विलिंग लिटिल हैंड्स, छोटे छोटे हाथों से। मिनी वॉज टेकन डाउन स्टेयर्स, मिनी को सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतारा गया, ले जाया गया, पार्क को ले जाया गया। मिनी नेवर हैड रीजन टू फील लोनली अगेन, अब मिनी को अकेलापन महसूस नहीं हुआ। वर्ड पावर। तो इस तरह से जो है ये लेसन कंप्लीट था। अब हम जो है इस लेसन में क्वेश्चन आंसर पर आते हैं। क्वेश्चन आंसर। The lesson is now completed. Comprehension में answer the following questions. What was Minnie doing in the balcony? मिनी बालकनी में क्या कर रही थी? The question should be noted that what was Minnie doing in the balcony? The Minnie was watching the children playing in the park outside. Minnie was watching the children who are playing in the park. Minnie used his wheelchair and sitting on it, he was watching the children who are playing in the park outside. So we can answer of this question that Minnie doing in the balcony. The Minnie was watching the children playing in the park outside in a short sentence. So the answer of first question is completed. And the question number 2. Why was her mother worried as Minnie sat in the balcony? Why was her mother worried? उसकी माँ चिंतित क्यों थी? मिनी sat in the balcony. बालकनी में मिनी को बैठने से उसकी मदर क्यों चिंतित थी? Because it was windy. The weather was windy and it was blowing strong. So the mother was worried. So the mother was worried. In one answer, important question is question number first. And the question what was meaning? Question number 3. Question number 3 is important. Why did neighborhood children not become friendly? And the question number 4, important question. What was to the bird? Why did Minnie's mother? The questions which are mostly asked in your board exam. So here I am telling you about the important questions. इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के बारे में बता रहा हूँ जो बोर्ड में अक्सर पूछे जाते हैं. तो वाई डू यू थिंक द बर्ड रिफ्यूज टू ईट एनीथिंग? हाउ वाज बर्ड फेड? क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. And So on this page, the question number 1, 3, 4, 6 and 9. These are very important questions. So I am telling you these questions and you must write in your note the answers of these questions. Question number 3, what was meaning in the word spastic? The spastic is a person who had no control on her hands and legs from birth. Spastic, spastic means the word spastic, a person who had no control on legs and hands from birth. So he is called a spastic person. Question number 4, why did the neighborhood children not become friendly with her? The answer will start from the neighborhood children. The neighborhood children not become friendly with her because they were busy on their games and schools. Question number 6, what happened to the bird? The bird hurted his wings in a strong current of wind to rejoin her mates. Question number 9, how was the bird fed? The bird fed mashed rice with sugar and milk with the help of ink filler. So all these 5 answers should be told to you, and now you will write all answers in your notebook and try to learn this. Thanks all.